What's up everybody, DJ Chance here. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and reaction video to this, the Pioneer DDJ-Rev1-N. Now this is the limited edition gold version of the brand new Pioneer DDJ-Rev1 DJ Controller. Now this thing is pretty much the replacement for the highly popular DDJ SB series. Now I'm going to do a comparison video of the two because I also have a Pioneer DDJ SB3 and it is also in the limited gold version. So I'm going to be doing a comparison video after this reaction video, and then I'm going to do a tutorial just based on the DDJ-Rev1 series. Hopefully you'll find something useful and we'll have some fun with it. So here we are. We're going to unbox this thing, and I'm so excited. Okay, so we have the DDJ-Rev1-N box. You've got the packing list from Commack, New York, which is where I picked this up from the Guitar Center in Commack. Now, I know this is an unboxing, and the box looks like it's already been opened. I don't know why it looks like that. I swear to you, I did not open this thing. This is how I picked it up. I didn't notice this, because in Guitar Center, they do the curbside pickup, so they just brought it out to my car, and I didn't see this. So I'm not too happy that this has been open already, but I'm going to open it anyway, and hopefully I have the right controller in here, and hopefully it's not damaged. So anyway, we can only do the unboxing one time, because I'm not going to retape this like whoever did this. First of all, if you've ever watched my videos, you know that I like to pay attention to detail. In every controller or every piece of gear I review, I find these little odd details. There is no way that my mind would have been okay with not even matching up the tape. Had I cut this open already and retaped this, there's no way this would be happening right now. No way at all. This would have been even. I would have tried to make it pass for something. Even if I opened this at the store and I had to retape it, I still would have done this for the next person. I wouldn't leave this like that, but that's more the OCD in me there. All right, here's my trusty blade.
Without further gilding the lily, and with no more ado,
let's get this sucker open. Look, I'm adding another slice into the tape that was already sliced. I'm going to try to follow the curve of the already cut tape. Okay. Here it is.
here it is! Bam!
Much bubble wrap. You know, I can really use this for my eBay store too, because in my eBay store, where I sell all of my collectibles, I use this much bubble wrap. So this is going to come in handy. Okay, here we go.
Here we go! Here we go!
Here is the DDJ-Rev1, and there she is. Oh, I can't wait to get it out of this thing. Let's see. Oh man, it's so pretty. All right, so we have a normal box here, nothing spectacular. And because this thing was actually made in gold, it's not like the box for the DDJ SB3 where they had the picture of this and then they put a sticker of the picture over that. Actually, I'm going to show you that box because I have it here. Now in the DDJ SB3 Limited, you can kind of see they put a sticker on top of the existing photo that they had of the normal version of the SB3, and I always found that pretty funny. But on the back, they kept it the same. Anyway, so I'm glad they did that. That's a good little attention to detail that they did. Now, maybe they had some complaints. So let's get this thing open. Let's see what we have here. Come on. Let's get it open. All right, so it looks like this thing has not been opened or used. I mean, everything looks in order. The foam looks in place. The wrapping of it looks like it should. And we have whatever these papery things are that come with every piece of equipment. I don't know what we're supposed to do with all that paper and these weird symbols. I don't know. I guess it's knowledge. Let's see. So we have what looks like a pretty long USB cable. So let's get that thing out of there. Yeah, this looks pretty long. I'm wondering if it's maybe a 2-meter cable.
They're not much bigger than 2 meters.
Yeah, let's take a quick look at that. It is a very thick cable, I have to say. This is actually impressive.
Most impressive.
I do appreciate that they gave you a nice thick cable. This is probably one of those odd measurements. This looks like it may be like 4 or 5 feet. It's a weird length. I'll get more into that when I do the tutorial video. Now let's see what we have going on here. Yep, this is just normal. We don't need that. We definitely don't need that. We're just gonna throw that around. All right, you ready? You ready? You ready to see this? All right, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I'm excited. Hold on. They really need to make this gold thing in the Rev7. Wait, I have it upside down, I see. Oh, and there she is. Wow. Man, this thing's light. I would say maybe 4 or 5 pounds, maybe closer to the 4 pounds. It is very light. It's all plastic, of course. Let's get all of this boxing out of the way. There's not much in the way of things that came in the box. I mean, it's pretty much the box. It's this beautiful controller. They've got these handholds on the back, but that's pretty much been a staple. Now, I'm curious to see a side-by-side with the Pioneer DDJ SB3, which this is pretty much a replacement for. So let's see. Oh, you can already see the jog wheel's much bigger. I believe the press material for Pioneer DDJ-Rev1 said that it's the same size jog wheels as the SR2, which I believe are the same size wheels that are on the SX series. I'm not too sure about that. I'll have to look into that and I'll measure it myself. Now this is pretty cool. I like what they did here. They actually put these little grooves inside the top capacitive surface. This is going to get all of the fingerprints on it, but I don't care about stuff like that because I was a DJ that used records, and your fingerprints were always on your records, so who cares? Now the next thing I'm noticing with this controller surface is that these buttons that are in the mixer section are really small. I mean, in comparison to the ones on the SB3, but I guess that's the trade-off. I mean, you're going to get a much bigger jog wheel and get much smaller buttons, but you're getting them in a better position. Yeah, everything looks like it should. Everything feels like it should. I like that they put the gold even on the buttons there. That's a nice little touch there. I'm actually not sure if that is standard on the regular version. I'll have to look into that. But I do like that. That's a nice little touch right there. As I said in the beginning of the video, a little attention to details that I like. So anyway, this is it. I mean, you got it in battle style. You have the pitch controls here. The pitch controls definitely are longer than what's on the SB3. That's a good thing. I can get more precise mix. It's detented in the middle. I don't like the detent. I wish that they would do away with the detent, but it's not that bad of a click. Click, click, click. It doesn't feel like it's that deep. You can just feel right when you reach 0, but you can keep on pushing by it. I just wish it wasn't there at all. So we got the headphone up here and not a microphone control, which is surprising. When I first saw the pictures of this, I thought this was going to be like the Numark Mixtrack Effects that had the volume control for the microphone over here. So what they did was they copied that layout with the master over here and then a knob here, but it looks like that's for the headphones, even though your headphone controls are right here in the middle. So anyway, it's a good surface. I see they've differentiated a little bit in what the surface of the platter looks like. Little turntable section, you've got that line, and then you've got like a different surface going across up in this area. The mixer looks like the DJM kind of series and layout, so that's good. And you can see my fingertips pretty much cover the entire button. There's the mic level. I don't like when they put that in the back. I guess this is more DJ focused and not for MCing, because this is going to be something where you've really got to dial in right. And you've got to always be reaching back there and make sure where it is. We have the USB, the master out. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. The platters are capacitive. They put the lines in there that make it look more like a record, so that way, you know, it looks better visually, and they made that in gold. Would have been nice if there was more gold. I wish the platters had some more gold, but they seem like they spin okay. They feel, I guess, about average. I guess they feel a little bit heavier than the DDJ SB3, which, I mean, that's physics. You got a bigger wheel. It looks like it's a lot higher off the deck, too, but it looks good. It feels nice on the side, actually. It's got It's got a nice texture to it, so tactile feel is good there. I mean, it feels like it should. I mean, the faders feel about average for this, everything in this price point. Crossfader is probably going to be the same, and I guess I'll get more into that when I do the review. They put your cue here, and you've got your start and stops right where they would be if you turned your turntables 90 degrees. You've got your tempo range here, you've got your 3-deck and 4-deck, which to me always just seem like a ploy. You can't really use them, and let's see how useful it is on this one. I'm very excited. I'm going to play with this thing for the next few days, put out a tutorial video. There's the headphone output right there. That's actually good. I like that it's off to the side. The DDJ SB3 had it like in the middle, and I felt like that would poke you in an area you didn't want to get poked in. So I'm excited to see the startup sequence when you plug it in. I haven't done that yet, so let's take a look. Let me see, I'll find it. I know I can put it in somewhere there. Oh, wow, that was quick.
Oh, God. Oh, that's okay.
What? Oh, no, you just rolled over the juice box.
Okay, now go. Oh, I actually heard it make a little sound. That was weird. It kind of sounds like when you get too close to a power brick. You can hear that little hum.
Hum, hum, hum.
It did a quick hum noise. You probably didn't catch it. But that was it. That was very anticlimactic. It didn't do anything phenomenal, but I guess in this price point, that's all you can expect. Definitely doesn't have an exciting startup sequence like the Roland 808 DJ controller, but that's what it is. Thanks for watching.